So now, the reason why the browser can't automatically detect the size of the image and the resolution of the screen and then fetch the image is because the browser will go start grabbing images before it's downloaded all of the data that it needs to know exactly what the size of the image and resolution of the image is going to be. That might seem like kind of a pain in the butt right now, but it actually speeds up the process of loading the site. And there's not much we can do about that. So what would be nice is if we could tell the server two things. One, if we could tell it the resolution of the images on the server without it having to go out and fetch that image. And it would also be nice if we could tell it how big the image is going to be on the screen. Now, normally this is something that it's not going to know before it goes and fetches an image. And as we just talked about, that size can vary depending on the size of the viewport. So there's a lot of variables coming into play. Okay, so if this isn't quite anchoring in your head, it's not your fault. This is kind of a complicated little piece. But once you see the solution and try it out a couple of times, it will become second nature.